So I'm just going to do a quick little video here of the water coming in as it keeps coming in. So you might not see me. I'm just going to have a minute or so. I'm not sure how long, but I'm just going to show the tide coming in every few seconds. So here I go. You might be able to hear me in the background because I know this has been pretty quiet actually. I don't know why, but unless maybe it's just the camera, I can't hear well. But here we go. Just keep going. Love this. Love this. Here she comes, another one. Gonna come up to my feet. Oh, maybe not. Maybe the next one. Ooh, oh, getting closer. Ah, I love this. Okay, I think that's it.